she's not going to bring any food here again. Yes.
Why?
Because she's a woman like you. She makes a good meal. And I think I have a woman in this house who can do better. I never believe you could do something like that.
Of course, I know how people do that sometimes,
Hello. Okay, mommy, I'm stuck to this right now.
And this calls for celebration, I think so.
If it happens to be true, I will set this family on fire. And I repeat, I will set this family on fire.
With all due respect, how can you? I'm so ashamed of you.
Yes.
What about the car?
I've watched it.
You don't know what she's saying, but you know her. You just called her name.
You see, when I look at my family and I see the kind of love, peace and harmony amongst the children and the parents, this could not be easily seen in any other family. And I think we are blessed. And this calls for celebration, I think so.
Wow!
Yes. So it's not easy.
But
My own face.
Alright.
Shut up.
Don't worry.
Shut up.
Okay, alright, bring your glass. Don't mind
I don't know this.
Sweetheart, bring your glass. What are you doing? Serve yourself.
You don't know that the last month collects the biggest share.
This thing is some more.
But don't worry.
One is still big.
let me ask you.
Don't play
I
with
think you're
your
happy. No. But seriously, Dad, I think what you have said is good, but the reason for the peace and harmony in this family is simply because we are a simple family and we are very few. So
you think
that's
so?
why the harmony is sufficient.
So you are trying to tell me that you have not seen a small family that is not at peace. Are you trying to say that?
I didn't say that.
You both are right.
Yes. Everyone is right, including your mom.
Why?
For considering both of them right.
But wait. Somebody is keeping quiet. What is it? Last born.
Yes, Dad. There's no harmony between me and my sister. She's
What?
always looking for my trouble.
Hey! See who is talking? Daddy's girl. See, if I see your hand on any of my things, I'll just cut
You
on any of
don't
my
have the
things.
last born. You don't have the last born.
Wait. Don't tell me that you always look for her trouble.
No.
Because I will skin you alive.
No, Dad, I'm not saying though. I'm not saying. though.
Dad.
You ain't.
If I should answer that question on behalf of my sister, I would say that the last born herself is a trouble.
Thank you, my brother.
Wait. Last born. Prove them wrong.
Daddy. Sha, it's wrong talking while eating. Take manners, don't talk while eating.
Hey! Someone is just trying to cover himself.
Yeah, you mean the goods have arrived? I hope they arrived in good condition. Alright, no problem. Yeah, the thing is that I will call Jonas. Okay. Maybe I will call you back.
Good man, sir.
A thief. What? Are you mad? How can you call me thief in my own house? How can you call me thief in my own? I'm talking to you, young man. See, The next time you call me thief, I will treat you as one. Alright, say it correctly. Say chief.
Chief.
Say chief.
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 Alright, what is it?
Chief. There's one woman with either a son, a security neighbor, or even a brother.
Will you just go straight to the point? What is it?
Okay, it is true.
Let them in.
No.
Go and open the gate for them. Let them in.
Okay, I will do better. I will query them and question them.
Go, young man. Leave here this
As an
minute.
agile London. Okay.
Leave here this minute. Just go. That this man calling me to my house.
Dad,
Yes.
I'm ready.
Okay. You are set for the.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm ready with the document. Dad, this is the document.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me help you with this too.
All right. So everything is now.
Yes,
documented.
yes. I reviewed it well.
Okay.
I heard some
You-
voices.
Okay. It was gate man. I said that some people are waiting at the gate.
Yeah, you sign here, Dad.
Okay. Here.
Yeah.
All right.
And here again. Yeah, okay, sign here. I was confused. How about this? When I was,
Yeah, this one is correct. It should be that way.
Okay, so that's good. I think we have people here.
Elena, why are you here?
Do you know her?
Dad. Who are they?
Chief Joe. I've seen you really done well for yourself. Well, I'm here because of the seed you planted in me.
And what is that supposed to mean?
What's she talking about?
And this is the result. This is your son.
What?
Your son has threatened to kill me if I don't show him his son.
Mom!
What?
Mom!
What is happening?
This
Mommy!
is that.
What's happening?
Joe, what is happening?
Wait.
Will you get back?
What is this?
going on here?
Brother,
I don't know what she's talking about.
I
He's
don't
your
know
dad. He's your father.
Will you shut up?
Father's house.
I don't. What is happening? What is going on here?
Daddy, what is it? Who is this?
Say something and someone explain to
Joe, explain to us. What is happening?
Who is she?
I don't know what she's saying.
You don't know what she's saying, but you know her. You just called her name.
I don't know what she's talking about.
This is my father.
Yo,
Stop saying that.
How can you come to my house?
I don't even know what I'm saying.
This is my problem.
He's your father. This
Then I just going.
Will you shut up? Mommy,
I advise you, just take your son and leave this place, or else you regret ever stepping your feet into
I am not going to sit down. Where do you think you're going to?
No,
I
ma'am.
don't have any.
Will you stand up?
I only have things to Chief Joe, so I don't have your time.
Joe, come and explain this thing. I don't even understand what is going on. Joe!
See, I know that there's hunger everywhere, but you see this house is not meant for you people. Better just start going.
Son, relax. This is your daddy's house.
Who is talking
Relax.
about?
You're
You're
not
not there. Why? And you, listen to me. I'm talking to you as a man. That's if you are. I'm going now. But when I come back here and meet you, listen.
Don't mind him. Don't mind him.
I want you to tell me everything you know about that bastard.
Calm down, woman. Sit down. Just sit down. Let me explain to you. Sit down, woman.
And again, mind how you talk to me. Mind your words.
I should mind my words.
Yes.
I should mind my words. Just because I'm referring to that bastard you've kept from us all this while.
See, it's not what you think. You see, I never know this thing will come up. This is a mistake I've made long time ago that I thought I've escaped. I never meant to keep any secret away from my family.
You call it a silly mistake, right? You call it a mistake.
I didn't know.
Look at where you have landed us. Look at what it's costing to my family.
See, just calm down. We can settle this thing. Just calm down. Just calm down. I will handle it.
Let me ask you, are you even sure you're the real father to that boy?
See, I think I am the father because there was a time, you know, that woman I dated her a long time ago. There was a time she came to me that she was pregnant. But I don't want her to keep the baby. That's the problem. I gave her money. I don't want her to keep the baby. I gave her money but she refused.
Son, please come.
Yeah, Jones, come. Jones, come. I said, come here. Come here, Jones. Why are you putting this attitude? I am your father. You have to listen to me. And in as much I'm the head of this family, I have the right and every authority to command peace in this family. Did you hear me?
You are the father.
Yes.
And you have the authority to command peace in this family.
Yes, in as much I'm the head of the family.
Now let me ask you. What peace have you given to this family? You have ruined your own family. I just don't want to believe that this is true. Because if this be true, if it happens to be true, I will set this family on fire. And I repeat, I will set this family on fire. And that's final.
Jones, let me tell you, come back here. Jones, come back here. I said come back here, Jones. You see? You see how your son is talking to me?
Senator, assuming you kept your manhood safe, this couldn't have been this way.
Even you are talking to me that way. Okay, no problem. We shall see.
This report that this guy just I don't know, it's not well prepared. I think this person has to review it. Anyway, let me keep this in.
Richard! Sir! Please come. I want to talk to you. Please come, Richard! Daddy, alright, sit down. You see, there is something I want to tell you. Since you came into this family, you must have seen the height of problem in this family. Not like this before until you came. Please, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to go. Anywhere you want to go, just go. If you need money, I will give you money. You can go and establish yourself somewhere.
Listen, with all due respect, how can you, I'm so ashamed of you.
See,
how can you be asking to, telling me that you want to pay me off?
Listen to me. Huh? It's not like that, but it will take time for them to understand this thing, for peace to reign.
Listen.
Please go.
Wait. Listen, I'm not getting it. Listen, is it a bad thing for someone to discover his roots? Huh?
See, no one dispute that I'm your father. No one dispute that. But you have to go. You must have seen the problem you've caused already. Just go.
Listen,
please go.
Father, I'll go nowhere. Here I belong, here I stay. Richard, we go nowhere. I'm here to stay, and that's fine now. Please, excuse me, I believe this meeting is over. Thank you, have a nice day.
See, I am talking to you and you are leaving me. Come back here. I am your father. But you are not coming back to this house. Just make sure you don't come back here again because you are leaving. And if you don't leave, I will report you to the police station. What kind of nonsense is this? Look at this small boy. See, how I wish I never knew Elena.
Effiong!
Sir.
It's now too difficult for you to answer your name, Abi. See, is well. I want you to just go down to that street. Understand? Meet Mami Ifi. Tell her to give you a time. It should be glow. I repeat myself, glow.
That's glow.
1,000 naira. Just be fast. Tell her that when I come down, that will see her. And what are you still doing? Come on, why still do? What are you still doing?
Hey, just stop there. I said stop. Hey, this way. Come this way.
What is your problem? Huh?
Hey, shut up. And what's the problem?
There's no problem at all. He sent me to go and get a recharge card for him.
Recharge card for?
For a small Oga.
Oga. Now listen, let me educate you the hierarchy of authority in this house. Authority starts from my father. That's if he has any. My mother, my sisters, and me. And I am the ultimate authority. Whatever I say, you do. Have you cut the flower?
Yes.
What about the car?
I've watched it.
Go to your duty post. Move to your duty post.
And where do you think you are going? Come on, will you go and give me the airtime which I sent you? I don't want to wait for you for some seconds again. Please be fast about it. Come on. Keep going.
Hey. Just go back to your duty post. Go there at once.
Brother, time you act like a man.
Oh, really?
Of course.
Wow. But I should better be a woman than being a bastard like you.
You mad? Are you crazy?
What are you going to do?
Are you going bananas?
Wait, calm down.
Come on, listen to this fool.
Imagine this bastard.
Look at this Nikon poo calling me a bastard. In my own father's house? Are you mad? Are you crazy?
You better leave this out.
Hey, see, watch your back, cause I'm gonna hurt you.
You better leave this house.
Watch your back, cause I'm
Leave
gonna
this
hurt
house.
you. And that's just the final. Idiots.
See, this is the time you accept that boy as a brother.
Just listen to me. I don't understand what you are talking. See, if my father had talked to you about this, I'm not going to subscribe to that. I don't need him.
See, friend, I'm not going to mislead you. Understand. Just try and understand.
Understand what?
You don't have any other person to call brother.
I said I don't need him. That's all. We are comfortable, and I'm comfortable with that.
The fact is that he's your brother. Just accept him.
Do you know
For the
what?
sake of peace,
Just
please.
go. Just go. I said go. Go. I said go. It's okay. I have heard. Just go. Just go. Yes, as a brother. Was I clamoring for brother before?
You see, I called this meeting because of what has happened. You know, I know I didn't do the right thing, and I apologize for that. Please, for everything that has happened, I want us, let it be a bygone, and let's accept him as one of us. We have to accept him and live as one family. Please.
What can we not change? Just tell me, what can we not change? Let him just go.
Yeah,
I can't cope with that. It's okay.
See, son, listen to me. I can't let him go like that. He's my son, remember. He's my son.
Brother,
I cannot.
Brother, it's okay. Huh? They are right. You have to listen to Dad, okay? Just forgive.
Son, please listen to your father and accept him. He's your brother.
You see, I know it's not going to be easy, but you have to accept him. We have to accept him. He don't have any other place to go. Let's live as one family.
Right. It's okay. Let us just have peace and harmony in this house. Although it's our blood. Okay? Yeah, brother, please.
You see, I think we are one. We should be one. This is one family. So let's live as one. And let's peace reign again in this family. Son, accept him, embrace him as your brother. Richard, this is your brother. Alright.
Thank you, bro. You're welcome. Thank you so much.
Come here. No. Wow. I'm happy now. I'm very happy.
I come to the comment.
Yeah, thank you all.